We have studying about the truth bit magnitude comparator. Now we see about the truth table. So truth table, in this truth table we can see the number from A1. A1 is having A1, A0, B1 and B0. We know that A1, A0, B0 is the least significant bit and A1, B1 is the most significant bit. Okay, so we have comparing the numbers like A1 with B1 and A0 with B0. So now we just write down the truth table A1 A1 A0 and B1 B0. Okay, so we just write the numbers from 000 to 1111 and we see whether it is A is less than B, A is equal to B, A is greater than B. So you see 000 means A1 B1 is equal to 0, A1 is equal to B1, A0 is equal to B0, so that A is equal to B. So this is 1. So both condition is 0. The first condition, second condition and third condition. First condition is A is less than B. Second condition is A equal to B. Third condition is A is greater than B. So now 0, 1 means A1 is equal to B1. A0 is less than B0. So that is A less than B. That is 1, 0, 0. That is 0, 0, 1, 0. That is A1 is less than B1. A0 is equal to B0. So A is less than B. So 1, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 1. So it is A1 less than B1, A0 less than B0. That is A less than B. So 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0 means A1 is equal to B1, A0 is greater than B0. That is 0, 0, 1. 0, 1. So like this we can have the truth table from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 and we can take y1, y2, y3. y1 is for A is less than B, y2 is for A equal to B, y3 is greater for A is greater than B. Fine. Next, okay. Next, we draw it in the K map. So K map, we are having the total numbers, that is A1, A0, B1, B0. So the total bits we can see here is 4-bit number. So two 2-bit number, if you want to compare, it comprises of 4-bit. Two 2-bit number, if you want to compare, it becomes 4-bit. So that is we are comparing from 0, 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, 1. So next we draw the K map for the corresponding. The K map for 4 variables, that is the A1, A0 and B1, B0, that is 2 raised to 4, that is 16 cells are required. 16 cells are being required here. So that 16 cells we are representing here. That's 16 cells I am representing here. Okay, so that's 16 cells I can draw. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So next, this one is A1 and A0 and this is B1 and B0. B1, B0. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so I just neglect this one. Okay. Now we just map the numbers there in for A is less than B. For A is less than B, for 0, 0, 0, 0, we can see it is 0 and the case is 0 here. For 0, 0, 0, 1, that is A1, A0, B1, B0, it is less than. So it is 1 here. For 0, 0, 1, 0 also, A is less than B. For 0, 0, 1, 1 also, A is less than B. A is less than B. For 0, 1, 0, 0, it is not the case. Okay, it is not the case. So next one, we can similarly, if you draw, we get for 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 1, 0, we will be getting. Next one, 1, 0, 1, 1. There also we can map. So you just see here, we can map it like this. We can have the 4 chords here, 4 pairs, we can map it, and we can map this one like this, and we can map this one like this. So so here 1, 2, 3 pairs can be made. 3 pairs can be made, and so that is being shown here. So this is for A less than B, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have paired it and found. See, if you are having a number here, say for an in the case of Karnac map, if you are having a number here 1, 1, 1, 1, and if you are having 1, 1, 1, 1 here, you can make it one chord here, and similarly you can make this one as one chord. There is no problem in doing like this. Okay, first you have to see whether we can make it. Next we have to see whether we can go for 4. After that we have to see whether we can have 2 pairs, chords, octets. Pairs, chords and octets. So octets is very rare. Chords is very common, and pairs are also very common. So try to see whether you can go for octets or pairs. If both are okay, then go for it. Okay. Next, so this is one example, because in the examination I saw the simplification is becoming very hectic for you. So next one, you just see here, we are going for, most of them we are going for SOP, sum of the product. In sum of the product, you should always see that when A is equal to 0, it is represented as A complement. When A is equal to 1, it is represented as A itself. Okay. So you can see here is, you can write down here as A1 A0 complement, A1 complement A0 complement, A1 complement A0, and A1 A0 or A1 A0 complement. Similarly, B1 B0, B1 complement B0 complement, B1 B0 complement. So here you can see B1 complement B0 complement, B1 B0 complement B1. So B1 B0, B1 B0 complement. So like that. So you can see here A1. So you can see here the A complement. If you add this one, if you add this one, A1 complement A0 complement plus A1 complement plus A0, A1 complement into A0, then what you can do? You can take down this common A0. That is what I am showing here is, see here, this is of 1, 1 I am representing. So this is the only digit here, we can see. This is the only digit here, you can see. You have to simplify. Okay, so now you see there common 0 here, common 0 is, neglect that number, neglect that variable. You will just take So sorry, once again I will just tell you. Here we can have a number 0 0 and 0 1, 0 0 and 0 1. It consists of a1 and a0, a1 and a0. That is, here we can have a1 complement a0 and a1 complement a0 complement, a1 complement a0 complement. Here 0 0 is there, you take down that, you note down that. So which is indifferent, which is different, that is 0 1. So this a0 plus a1 should be neglected, a0 should not be taken. What is the common here? 0 0, then take one, that one is a1 complement. So take a1 complement. Then you can see here this one 1 1 1 0. This is b1 b0 and b1 b0 complement. So b0 complement b1 b0, you neglect it, you cancel it down, take down only b1. So it consists of a1 complement b1, a1 complement is b1. So same number you can see here, a1 complement into b1. See here, a1 complement into b1, a1 complement into b1. So this is the result of this simplification. A1 complement you will be getting through like this. B1, how you got b1? So you got b1 through this. So you can see b1 is 1, b1 is 1 1. So then we are written b1. Okay, I hope you understood the simplification. So next simplification is this one 1 1. So a1 a0 and 0 1 0 1. So 0 1 0 1 means this b1 should be neglected, 0 1 0 1, that is b1 should be neglected, and we can take b0. So that is b0. So what is the value of b0? That is equal to 1, that is it is b0 himself. Next is what is the value of a1 a0? It is complement. So a1 complement into a0 complement into b0. That is the simplification of this one. Okay, next one you will have to see the simplification of this one. That is 1 0 1 0 0 0. See here, these both are to be neglected. That is a1 is 0 here, a1 is 1 here, a1 is 0 here, a1 is 1 here, 0 0. So take down only a0, take down here only a0, that is complement. A0 is equal to 0, that is complement. Next you just see the comparison between this one b1, b1 and is there any comparison here for b1? So we can take b1 and b0. So there is no more cancellation required. So a0 complement, that is b1 into b0, b1 into b0. So that is a0 complement into b1 into b0. Okay, so that is how we got the simplification of a is lesser than b. For a equal to b, that is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So we have to write down like this. So whatever the digit a1 complement a0 complement, b1 complement b0 complement, a1 complement a0, b1 complement b0, a1 a0, b1 b0, like that you have to write down for a is equal to b. Then for a is less greater than b, the simplification will be like this. Okay, I hope you understood the simplification. Next, what we have to do is for a equal to b, we have to represent, we can represent it in terms of NOR gate. How means you just write down like this, that is a1 a0 complement, b1 a1 complement a0 complement, b1 complement b0 complement, plus a1 complement a0, b1 complement b0, like this. There you take down a0 complement into b0 complement as common. So here you take down a0 complement into b0 complement, a0 complement into b0 complement as a common. and then we can have this A naught complement into B naught complement. So you can see here there we can have this digit here. I just write down this one, y2 is equal to a1 complement a naught complement b1 complement b naught complement. That is, so see here we have simplifying these two terms and these two terms. In these two terms, you just see we are having the common as A complement and B complement, A naught complement and B naught complement. You take down that A naught complement and B naught complement, and then we will be getting A1 complement B1 complement plus A1 B1. There here we can see we are having the common as A naught B naught. You take down common and A naught B naught, A1 complement B1 complement plus A1 B1. Then we can see we can have this A1 complement B1 complement plus A1 B1. It is common, then we can write it down only once, and this A naught complement into B naught complement plus A naught into B naught, we can write down like this. So that is anything that is A complement into B complement plus A plus B is nothing but A XOR A XNOR B. So that is A XNOR B we have gotten. We have got A XNOR other. So that is A XNOR B means A XNOR B means A XNOR B means if you are having A B here, that is the result is A complement B complement plus AB. So that is A XNOR B. So that is if you are having this truth table 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1, you substitute for this 0 0, you can see 0 complement and 0 complement, it is 1 here, 1 for this plus 0 into 0, that is 0. So 0 into 1, 0 complement into 1 complement, that is 0 complement, it's 1, 1 complement is 0, so that is 0 plus 0 into 1, that is 0, so that is 0 here. Same thing for 0. So 1 into 1 complement into 1 complement, that is 0 himself. 1 into 1, that is 1. So like that is why we represent this expression is A complement into B complement plus A plus B for A naught B. Okay, I hope you understood. We have simplified these two expressions. We have taken the common in the two expressions and this in these two expressions, and we've taken it as A. Then we have written this A1 in the pure form, and we have taken the A naught, A1, A naught, B1, B naught, B naught, B complement. So same thing, we can write down the line diagram. So just what you have to do is so you have to see that we can write down, that is A1 B A1 A naught A1 A naught A1 A naught A1 A naught B1 B naught. Both we require in complement and in the original form. So that is why we put a NOT gate here. So we take A1 A naught here. So this one here the value will be A1 only. So here the value will be A1 complement. So if you put one more NOT gate here, so the value here it will be A naught complement. If you take any, അതായത് ഇവിടുന്ന് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു ഇത് സർക്യൂട്ട് എക്സ്റ്റൻഷൻ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂ A naught complement ആയിരിക്കും. So like this we can take B1 and just note it, and you will be getting B1. So the value here is B1, value here is B1 complement. Similarly B naught, and if you note it, you will be getting B1 B naught here but the value here is b naught complement. Okay, so same thing is being used here. So we have to take a naught a1 complement a naught complement b naught, we have ANDed here and we are given to the OR gate. So this is the expression for a is less than b, this is the expression for a equal to b, this is the expression for a greater than b. So here we are using only the a is less than b and a is greater than b, we are using only and OR gate, and for a equal to b we have using two NOR gate with one AND gate. So this is how that I told you we can use two NOR gate, two XNOR gate, two XNOR gate, that is two XNOR ഗേറ്റും രണ്ട് XNOR ഗേറ്റും ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ തന്നെ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു. രണ്ട് XNOR ഗേറ്റും പിന്നെ ഒരു AND ഗേറ്റും യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എന്താ എ ഈക്വൽ ടു ബി എന്ന് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ അതിൻ്റെ ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് ഹൈ ആവത്തുള്ളൂ. അതിൻ്റെ ഔട്ട്പുട്ട് ഹൈ ആവത്തുള്ളൂ. അത് ഞാൻ നേരത്തെ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തിരുന്നു. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ സർക്യൂട്ട് വിച്ച് we got here. That is the circuit which you have got here. That is why I told you early ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു, നേരത്തെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നതാ ഈ ഒരു സമയത്ത് തന്നെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു എ രണ്ട് NOR ഗേറ്റും പിന്നെ ഒരു AND ഗേറ്റ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ അത് ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ അത് ഹൈ ഇൻഡിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യത്തുള്ളൂ. സോ സെയിം തന്നെയാണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ കിട്ടിയത്. ഈക്വൽ ആണെങ്കിൽ മാത്രമേ അത് ഹൈ ഇൻഡിക്കേറ്റ് ചെയ്യത്തുള്ളൂ. So I hope you understood. Next we see about the 4-bit logic for 4-bit magnitude comparator.